Have you ever wondered how cities are adapting to reduce flooding and improve water management? Today, we're exploring the innovative solution of permeable pavement. Over the past 3 to 4 years, cities like Atlanta, Detroit, Milwaukee, Houston, Salt Lake City, San Diego, and Tucson have started using permeable pavement. This technology helps manage stormwater more effectively. Permeable pavements allow water to pass through the surface into a stone reservoir below, reducing runoff and ponding. In municipal applications, this can significantly reduce local flooding. A key benefit is that permeable pavement meets post-construction stormwater requirements for private developments, ensuring better water quality and management in urban settings. In Brooklyn, the DET partnered with the Department of Design and Construction to install 7 miles of porous pavement, strategically placed along curbs to enhance drainage efficiency. Beyond just managing water, permeable pavements can integrate with IoT-driven systems. This technology transforms flood-prone cities into climate-resilient urban hubs by improving drainage and reducing flooding risks. With at least 18 cities adopting this technology since the start of the decade, permeable pavement is proving to be a vital tool in urban water management and flood prevention. So there you have it. How cities are using permeable pavement for better stormwater management. How do you think your city can benefit from this technology? Share in the comments.